Hi.
Hello, we are here at Mrs Rogers, and that all happened very fast. This is what happens on Facebook Live, things happen very fast. And I'm here with Ian, who's one of our master blenders, and we're here to have a quick chat about the new extensions of the range for our medium grinders, including a limited edition one, which we'll talk about in a minute. So Ian, do you want to tell us about the medium grinders first? Because these are on the shelves, you can get these, but these are new blends for us.
Right, yes. The medium grinder is out in lots of variants at the moment on all the supermarket shelves. I've seen lots of people in there buying them, they really like them. It's a glass base with a ceramic grinding insert, and
which means it lasts a long time.
Lasts a long time.
Yep.
Ceramic is supposed to be the best insert you can get for grinding.
Okay.
And in the top we have an adjustable knob that you can use for altering the coarseness of the product as it comes out. You can either have it very coarse or very fine or anywhere in between.
We did a little video on Facebook earlier in the year that showed people how to do that, and one of the tips that I've found is that you can turn it upside down and grind into the little cap there and then tip it out from that way, if that makes it easier rather than controlling where you're putting your grindings. So there's a tip for the day. Now if anyone does have any questions or wants to tell people tips as well with cooking or how to use these spices, then do feel free to ask live while we're talking now, or pop them in the comments below and we can get Ian to respond on Facebook. So ask away. We've got Jono behind the camera on the other side. He's going to yell out any questions and we'll take it from there. Alright, so Ian, I interrupted you. Tell us more about the blends.
Well, we've got two new blends that we're bringing out into our permanent range. There's a chili and lime sea salt.
Excellent.
This is a very nice blend. We've had it around in other grinders for a while, but because of the popularity of it, we're bringing it into the medium grinder as well.
Okay.
It's a white sea salt with chili, lime. It tastes really good on your sausages, your potatoes, things like that. It just gives a little, it's not a strong chili flavour, but it's enough there to
medium heat, eh?
Give a medium heat good kick.
Yep. I mean, you don't have to stay away from the barbecues just because the weather's gone a bit to pot.
Oh,
you can still have a steak.
Definitely not.
Still get out there.
Grind it on your steak. Lovely. Yes.
And like you say, the potatoes.
And the potatoes. Yeah.
And, and that's what we've got here.
That's what we've got here.
So over here is our blend.
If you've looked at some of our other videos, you've seen the big tumbler that we use. What we do is we add all our products into the tumbler, and this is just some that I've got out of the tumbler and put it in the bin so that you can see it. And then our staff fill up the grinders with this. You can see it looks yummy and it tastes yummy.
So we take all the different ingredients, mix it up, and then
just put it in.
Yep. Fantastic.
The next one we've got coming out is a chili and Himalayan salt.
Now I think this is beautiful looking. Like seriously, it looks lovely. If you have that on your your table at home, it'd just look fantastic.
Well, it does. It's got the pinkness of the salt. The Himalayan salt is
the chili is now that Ian has done that. This is not what you would have at home. This is the perils of working in a place that is full of spices. That is strong, but and lovely. I can really taste that. It's fantastic. Thank you for that. Should we not do that again?
We won't do that again.
I think people like me.
I think after a while you develop a bit of an immunity to such things.
You certainly do.
Yes.
It's fantastic.
The salt that we use in here is Himalayan salt. It's especially comes from Pakistan. It's said to be over 250 million years old.
Wow.
Brought out from deep within the ground. Lots of trace elements in it, which is really good for your health. And we add to that just straight chili. So you can see if you compare the two, one's a little bit redder than the other. This one has got a lot more chili in it, a lot more
beautiful.
kick. If you love chili, this is what you need. It'll really set that meal on fire for you. So they will be coming out as a standard part of our standard range.
And this one, this is the one that I'm really excited about. So this is a limited release. So this is only going to be available on shelves for a limited amount of time. Is that right?
That's right.
Fantastic. Yes. Let's have a look at that. So what is this, Ian? Come on, give us the skinny on this.
This is the Kiwi roast blend. It's specially designed to be a winter warmer. Putting it on in your stews and your soups. Cheese on toast, grind a bit on top. Yep. Again, great on vegetables, potatoes, things like that. what it is, why we've called it a Kiwi roast blend, is because we have some Kiwi products in it. We have horopito, which is like a pepper. Gives you a peppery taste to it, so it adds a bit of spice to it, along with some green and red peppers that are in there, and black pepper. Plus it's also got kawa in there, which is known as the New Zealand bush basil. And so it has that herby flavour to it as well.
So it's not just about Kiwis having roasts, it's actually a specific Kiwi roast blend.
Yes.
Wow.
Because it's got Kiwi
stuff
products in it.
Yeah,
That's
nice.
right.
See where we did that? Yeah, very clever here. Nice.
So yeah, as you say, this is going to be out for a limited time in the supermarkets in about a month's time, and it's really nice. I've tried it. I like it too. So
I'm
make
glad
sure
you like it
get
because
some.
everyone else should. Well done.
Oh yes, and it's expertly made as well.
So modest, Alien. So modest. So look for that. Look for all of these. The grinders are fantastic. I know it sounds like an awful marketing spiel, but they are legitimately good. It's the kind of grinder that you'd pick up at a homewares store for.
It is. Yep. It's the
2 or
same
3
quality
times,
that you
2 or
get.
3 times the price.
Yep. Same quality.
And it's got the herbs and spices inside it. So that's good. Right. Well, thank you, Ian. Is there anything else you wanted to tell the team about how they could use this product, or are you happy just to get out on the shelves?
I think an important point with the Rogers brand is that we don't have anything in there that's not natural.
Yep.
We don't have any fillers, and it's just straight herbs and spices.
Yep.
And that makes it taste better. You know you're getting quality. You can always check on the back. It's got a list of ingredients, and you'll know that we are only putting the best in what we supply.
Yep, fantastic. Thanks for joining us. Let us know if there are any questions along the way, and we'll do our best to answer them. And once again, here with Ian, the master blender here at Mrs Rogers. Watch out for these on shelf over the next month or so, and if you don't see them there, then do ask for them, and I'm sure the supermarkets around the country will do their best to get it for you. Have a lovely day. There we go. Thanks for that.
Bye.
That was really good.
That's fine.
Yeah.